Boston.
Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Arlington, Everett, Chelsea, Watertown, Lexington, Needham, Wellesley, Milton, and Melrose.
Long anticipate. Damn.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern western county, central Massachusetts, northwestern Norfolk County, eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County, and northeastern Massachusetts until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Grafton, 47 miles south of Shrewsbury, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Framingham, Peak, Needham, Norwood, Milford, Wellesley, Walpole, Westboro, Grafton, Ashland, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Westwood, Holliston, Medway, Medfield, Weston, Sutton.
That was probably a doubleheader. I was an idiot.
Protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways